Pleasure.
Well, how do you use news to affect the decisions you make in the Forex market every day?
Well, first of all, a lot of new traders into the Forex market, they say, oh, I'm just a technical trader. They just use technical analysis. Nothing wrong with that. I love technical analysis as well. But the technical analysis doesn't create the trends. Forex as an industry is categorized as a global macro trading industry. Global macro, it's all global macroeconomics. And that's fundamentals. So things like studying the news leads you to create a general bias for the health of an economy. So right now the euro's in trouble, but it's because they're overstrapped with debt and maybe not able to pay some of the bills. So obviously the valuation of the euro is coming down. That's a fundamental play. Now there's lots of technical trades along there, but fundamentally speaking, the eurozone is weak. Another way to use fundamental analysis is to try to understand the decision-making process of a central bank. So if there's lots of inflation, like let's say in Australia or now in New Zealand, they're starting to raise interest rates. This is because of fundamentals. Their economies are doing well. They actually have inflation. Aussie jobs, the Aussie job news recently has been very good. China's export data is really good. So it's showing that the Asian economies are starting to do pretty good. That's what fundamental analysis is the study of the economic data, but most importantly, how does a central banker review this to create and shape their policies? And if they're raising interest rates, that means the economy is very healthy, and therefore that higher interest rate is going to attract more investors, and therefore that currency could go up. So on the longer term, fundamentals and news, specifically trends within the news, creates either a bullish bias or a bearish bias in the currency markets. And this is important because as a currency trader, I'm trying to pair up the strongest versus the weak.